10 of the best tattoo artists on the planet are competing to determine who's #1. On the last episode of Ink Master, 8 artists were left in the competition.
Each week we've been testing you on the essential skills needed to become an Ink Master. This week, these are your canvases.
Wow.
The artists' shading skills were put to the test in the Flash Challenge.
Score 3/4 lighting. Take these boys into an art class. Al Fliction's art class.
The artist that stood out the most was Al.
What the hell did he do?
He did a good job of talking. This is a competition. You do you, I'm gonna do me.
In the elimination tattoo, Billy got another head tattoo.
Everything that's covered by hair right now, I would like to be covered by tattoo.
My clients are gonna be the death of me.
Billy is complaining all the time. The door's right there. Don't let it hit you on the way out.
You got elements of the thing wrong. You're missing that hard. Admit it. Just be real. If it was me, I'd be real. Like, y'all up.
At the elimination, Josh, Al, and Billy were the bottom 3.
Billy,
This guy asked for a specific Japanese image. This doesn't really look like that particular image.
Josh,
This whole forearm is just one big solid area of darkness.
Affliction.
The shading is not there. You're competing for 100 grand, and you're gonna do something that's on somebody forever.
Any one of you could justifiably be sent home. Al, you don't have what it takes to be Ink Master.
7 artists remain, but only one will earn a $100,000 prize and the title of Ink Master.
Hate those turning lights. It goes so quick. Giving up time. I'll roll cars to go.